All right, here goes the theme from Ghostbusters. First, we have like a slide up and down the neck on the big E string. There's kind of a bass line in the back. You could play it on guitar too. It's like. So 7 and 8 on the D string. You could do it down here also. So while that's going, after our slide on the guitar, we have. Okay, so it's like 2 beats each. It's like big 7 here, and then 10 on the A string, 9, 8, 7, then 7 on the G. Now we're gonna hold the 8 on the D for 2 whole bars. So once again, that was. And while that's going on, you're continuously doing that. Okay, then the next thing we're gonna have is the chord part. We get. So B power chord, bum bum, A to E. Okay, so while that's going, we have a bass line going. So we got 7, 7 on the E, 5 to 6 hammer on the A, to the 4 on the D, and then we're gonna go 7, 7, 6, 6. So. So those two parts go together, and then we're gonna have like a horn part here, or a keyboard part. That main melody. Okay, so we have 7, 7 to the 11, back to the 7, and then 9 to 5, and then dee 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 da da, 7s and 5. And this last part, so 7s, 4 of them, and then 5, 9, 7. So once again, it's like 3, 4, 1. Okay, then we're in a verse. When that verse is done, we get a. Then I like to go an octave up, so that was 7 on the G and 9 on the D. 7, 9, 7, 8, 9 on the D. And I like to jump to the octave there. And then there's a harmony. We had 10 and 12. 10, 11, 12 at the end. And then that last time you got 14 and 15. Bend up that 17. So that's 4 times on the 14 to 15. And then we're back. Okay, now the bass line on that part where we go. That's gonna go. Okay, so it does the same rhythm. It's like 7, 5, and then 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and then 4, open, bum, bum, ba-da-dum. Dun, 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 dun. Bum, bum, ba-da-dum. And once again, that bass line. Still a cool guitar line as well, right? Okay, then we're gonna have a little thing coming on where we're gonna go. Okay, so it's B to A power chords. 3, 4, A, B, it's like 4 times of that. Now this 4th time is going to end with like a. So E to A. So the whole thing will be like. Okay, we got more verses. We have a bridge later on that's going to go 1 and 1 and 3, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 3, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 3. Okay, so let's take a little review. We have the beginning again was like kind of the bass line. Could also be that one. And our guitar thing is going. And then we're into our main rhythm. Main melody. Okay, then we got the verses, then we got the. Now, one more thing, if you wanted to solo on this, you could be using your B minor pentatonic scale. You could also be using your B major pentatonic scale. You could also be like combining them. You got your chromatics in there a little bit, your flat fifth. Now, because of this is like a B to A with a tonal center of B, it's like B mixolydian. So it's that major scale with a flat 7. So you could use any of those scales. B minor pentatonic, flat 5th. B major pentatonic. Or like a kind of hit your B7 kind of thing, dominant 7 kind of arpeggio riffs with a little mixed in minor to major 3 stuff, little chromatics and things like that. Okay, so let's have a quick jam on that. 2, 3, and. Ghostbusters. Happy Halloween, y'all. We'll talk to you soon.